Guys, the Beanies advent calendar has arrived. Should we take a little look? It does come cellophaned up for security, which I really do like the fact that they're cellophaned up, because not all of them are. Let's get this off. I've not looked at what's inside this one. It's going to be coffee, which I'm really chuffed about. I am a big fan of Beanies coffee, and that's why I bought it for myself. Let's take a look. Now, let's look at some credentials first. It's nut-free. It is vegan. It has low calories. It's sugar-free. I like to put a little bit of sugar in mine. Can you tell? And if you hadn't heard of Beanies before, it is just a flavoured coffee brand and they do it really good. And the coffee itself is really smooth as well. It's not acrid or bitter. It's a really nice, smooth, rounded coffee. So even on its own, I really like it. Let's get this opened. Day one's on the front. Let's see. It's going to be a big one, which I like the look of. It's gingerbread. Oh, I've never tried this one. I'm currently drinking the Amaretto flavour, which is delicious. So we're going to move along the sides now until day 24. And inside there, you've got two. I've got coconut and another gingerbread. Let's keep going. We've got Amaretto and Yule Log. Yum. I love Yule Log. And then the other one, we've got cookie dough and we've got Christmas pudding. This is looking really good. I think 2 a day is a really nice number as well. I think it's nice to have, so you can have like one in the morning and maybe one in the afternoon, a little cheeky one. Yeah, there's 44 of these. You've either got 2 or 3 or 4 of the flavours, depending which one it is. Let's take a look at the flavours. We've got toffee nut latte, mint chocolate, 4 Christmas pudding, 2 mince pie, 2 Irish coffee and an orange, 2 cookie dough and 2 caramel, 3 candy cane and 4 gingerbread, 2 coconut and 2 popcorn, 2 raspberry and 2 double choc, 2 maple fudge, 2 mince pie, 2 Amaretto and 4 Yule Log. And finally on the last day, Christmas Eve, we've got a creamy caramel. Wow, what a absolutely fabulous advent. I really enjoyed that. I cannot wait to drink all this. It's delicious. This is a really nice coffee, honestly. Even if it was just plain without flavours, it's really nice coffee. I'm looking forward to this and do recommend it.